When I first talked about AI, everybody in my family and friends said, "ये उम्र में AI के क्या करेगा तू?" Then I came across Sahil Ji, and I promote a brand called Pickle Story. Pickle Story is a homegrown brand, uh, which is being sold on Amazon, Flipkart, everywhere. But we were not able to generate leads onto our website. But
Hmm.
after joining Sahil Ji's course, now we are getting at least 4 to 5 orders every day.
Wow.
And
Congratulations.
and we have put some small tweaks here and there on the website by the points given by Sai. We have increased our AOV, that is the average order value, from 200, 300 rupees to 700 rupees.
Wow. That is
So
amazing.
on a working day, we get anything between 5 to 7 orders,
Uh-huh.
which is about 3,500 rupees. On holidays and weekends, we are getting 10 to 12 orders. So average, if I take 10 orders also, that is almost about 3,000, say 4,000 rupees. So monthly,
Uh-huh.
1,20,000 rupees repetitive business. And apart from the repetitive business, since we are in the business of food, pickles
Yeah.
and other things, we also have total life value of the customer is very high. So if the customer likes our products, he places an order every month or every 2 months. Thank
Uh,
you, Sai. And all the tips what you are giving, even though sometimes I am busy with my work, I make it a point to sit back again and see it in the evening after I come back home. Great
okay.
job, Sai. You are helping everybody, and I'm sure you are going to make Modi ji's vision of 35 trillion by 2047.